Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Resident Evil Requiem crash and unhandled exception occurred. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and download the latest drivers for your GPU. If you use AMD, go to the official AMD driver website and type the name of your GPU in the search box. Select your graphics card model, choose your Windows version, then download and install the latest available driver. If you use NVIDIA, open the official NVIDIA driver page, enter the details of your GPU, and start the search. Download and install the latest driver shown in the results. If the issue continues, close Steam completely. Then go to your C drive, then locate and open Program Files x86 folder. Inside the folder, locate the files named jinput.dll and hid.dll and delete them. I have already deleted them. That is why I don't have them. So that's basically how you can fix Resident Evil Requiem crash. An unhandled exception occurred. That's it for this video. Thanks.